So I'm Swapnil Bhoskar. I recently got integrated with UST. I am from HR function, part of HR operations team, and currently working from Pune as a part of MS Dynamics practice.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so I have been hearing about servant leadership model and went through that as a part of orientation induction, as well as had a chance to listen to Dr. Madana on a few occasions, and also did some so-called online modules as a part of our Gamma programs. But this was something I would say extraordinary and very, very effective in understanding the whole aspect and whole concept of servant leadership, which is definitely arranged very well, designed very well, and really keeps the participants totally involved and creates that so-called effectiveness wherein participant will think through about how they want to transition from where they are towards servant leadership. Yeah, so like I have attended other leadership programs and have been fan of many other leadership models. The unique thing I found in this is looking at overall holistic development of people and team members, and which goes beyond simply looking at the goals and business priorities, and how can we imbibe those values in ourselves. Also, how can we involve ourselves in colors program, motivate the team members to get into colors, and positively impact the community around you. Absolutely, I think every employee who is joining UST or is now part of UST should go through this and experience this, because the way the activities are designed, they really force you to reflect on every takeaway from the activity, and this will change your own outlook towards how you look at your own life and your own, I would say, vision, mission to be a better human being.